think it's pretty messed up that all dogs get to go to heaven. Cujo gets to go to heaven. Are you kidding me? And in heaven, everybody gets what they want, so in his version of heaven, is he just chasing people, murdering them, and eating them? I mean, I torture people for that down here. He just gets to run around and just do that for the rest of his existence. What if I'm lonely? What if I want a dog? Cats just aren't the same. Maybe I'll turn Dog the Bounty Hunter into a dog.
Good evening, and welcome to Satan Information News. I'm CLETUS Sweetwater, your new host. Today around the world, coronavirus is sweeping the nation. And just like the Me Too movement, men over 60 are in the most immediate danger.
This week's episode of weather is brought to you in part with our new partner, Hyquil. Do you drink Hyquil? It might get rid of the coronavirus. I put my pants on that one. Can I get off? Hyquil might not get rid of coronavirus. But if you drink a whole lot, you very well may feel real high.
Talk about a dead beat. While COVID-19 might be killing off the sick and elderly, school shootings have dropped to an all-time low. This just in. Ohio homeschool teacher of her own 8 children was just arrested for having sex with not 1, but 8 of her students at the same time. Talk about the mother load. From homeschooling to housework, women everywhere are feeling the effects of this pandemic. Feminists everywhere are struggling to adjust to their new home duties.
The dishes are hard, vacuuming is hard, dusting is hard. Why would women want to do this for a living? I just don't understand why there are housewives.
The Metonists are struggling to find joy in a world without sports. Let's check in with Rick to see just how people are doing in this time.
It's all been canceled, y'all. All of it. I went to Major League Baseball games with 60,000 people in the stadium in 2013 with the H1N1s. No one cared, not one bit, not one little bit. No one gave a trucker's boots about it. They were canceled all of it. How else am I supposed to prove to my liberal friends that I'm not racist except for watching basketball? Corona's got everybody. I swear to God, I think Kobe knew what was coming. He had to get out of here first. There's no more sports. There's no sports for me to report on. I tried to play ping pong with my nephew the other day. It just wasn't the same. There was no competition. No one's ever gonna win one of these again. What are we supposed to do? Weatherman got coronavirus from drinking Coronas from Tahiti. They lost more than anybody.
Of course, with men and women suffering everywhere, domestic violence is on the rise. From hitting women to hitting the bong, local weed smokers are experiencing a little extra paranoia while coughing in public.
Oh fuck, did this guy just see me? This guy... Oh shit, he thinks I have the virus. I'm trying to go get groceries. He thinks I have the virus. Fuck this, I'm out of here. I'm going to fucking Bonds. Fuck this bullshit.
Man, that cat was high.
Of course, once you get to the store, many of the aisles, especially the toilet paper aisle, will look like this. Now you may be asking yourself, without toilet paper, what are my options, Cletus? Well, over to our editor-in-chief for some suggestions. I've been Cletus Sweetwater, and don't forget to wash your hands.